Hi there, today I'm going to talk about making fractions out of Cuisenaire rods. I hope I pronounced that right, Cuisenaire. So I'll start with a half, a nice easy one. And to make a half, you put a 2 for the denominator and a 1 for the numerator. And you can see that there's a half the amount of white as there is red, and that's why that's supposed to represent a half. Now if I was to get another one of these halves and just sort of add it on, that would still be kind of like a half, because there's still a half the amount of white as there is red, and that's why you can say a half is equal to 2 quarters. And this is in fact how you make equivalent fractions using Cuisenaire rods. If you wanted to make an equivalent fraction that would be equivalent to a half but have a different denominator, you could make some halves and then you could put them together. So you could have a denominator that was made out of 3 of those 2's, like that, 3 out of 6, or you could have one that was made out of 4 of those 2's or 2 of those 2's. These halves fit together to make a bigger half. It's just like you've still got a half but you've scaled it up a bit, and you've still got a half the amount of white as you have red. So let's do some questions like you might get in a maths book. Say you had 3 quarters and they want an equivalent fraction that has 8 on the bottom. So what you would do is you'd make some quarters, 4's on the bottom and 3's on the top. That's 3 quarters. You'd make another one, and you might make more if you needed them, but these 2 will be enough. And here we have 6/8. So we can answer the question and put the 6 in. Let's do another one. Say we could do 1/3 equals something with 9 on the bottom. You would make a 1/3 and you'd make another one. So that's not going to be enough because that would only be 6 on the bottom. So I better make another one and put it in, and we have 3/9. It's still 1/3 really, because there's 1/3 the amount of white as there is green. So it still represents a 1/3, but it's just scaled up a bit to be 3/9. So that's how you make equivalent fractions using Cuisenaire rods, and I pronounced it right this time. Thanks for watching. Bye.